Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your account in SupShip.io so that you can start selling today. And I'm going to go through the whole process so that you can see every step of the way. So the first step is to go to the platform. So in case you're not in the platform or you're in the landing page like this one, you need to click to the platform and then you need to click sign in. Then you need to click the sign up button and then you write down your first name, your last name. I'm just writing down 1, 2, 3 just for the example. Then you write down your phone number here, your email address, for example, the country that you're from. Then you write down the password. Let's say I'm just going to use another one. Then you select the currency that you're going to be using, for example, euro. Then in the IBAN section, you write down your IBAN number. The platform needs this so that when you receive payments from your customers, we can send them to you. And then you need the IBAN code. So if you don't have it, for example, I just wrote the Revolut one that I've got. But if you don't have it, what you have to do is to write down in Google your bank name plus Swift. So for example, this is the bank that I'm using, then Swift. And then here you can see the Swift code is STSA BGSF. So you use this instead. Then you have to click I agree to terms and conditions and then sign up now. Okay, and then you have to confirm your email address, which I'm going to do on my phone so that we don't have to wait here. And right now I'm in the profile, which looks like this. And in order to set it up from the beginning, what you need to do is to click the icon on the top right corner. Then you click view profile. And here you can set up several things. So you can change your password here, but what we're going to be doing right now is the company settings. So if you don't have a company, you don't have to worry about this right now. But if you do have a company, this is very, very important, because if you don't write this down, we cannot issue invoices to the company. Therefore, you cannot use all of the invoices as tax deductions. So keep this in mind. This is very important if you do have a company. So in the company name, you write down your company name, of course. So let's say this is going to be Test Ltd. In the case you have a Bulgarian company, you can write this down in Bulgarian. So for example, like this one. And then you always have to write down the company form. So this is also very important. Then you have to write down the tax ID. So this is your company registration number. So for example, this. Then you have to write down your VAT number, if you have one. Then you select your country, for example, Bulgaria. You write down your city. And again, if you have a Bulgarian company, and this is only for Bulgarian companies, you need to write this information in Bulgarian. So in the city, you write down your city. In the street address, you write down the address, postal code, and then you click update. So this is the first step to set up your company details. Then the next step that you need to do in order to start selling is to subscribe, meaning that you start using the platform as a full user. So you click the subscribe button, you click get started, and here you write down your card information. So for example, I'm going to write this one. Then you write down when the card is going to expire, and your CVC code. Then you write down the card holder name and your address. This is your personal address. Or wherever, if you're using a company card, this is the company address. So you do all of this. Keep in mind that you do have a free trial, which is 3 days free. As you can see right here, it says 3 days free. So we're not going to charge your card from the beginning. We're going to charge it 3 days after you sign up. So keep this in mind. And keep this in mind that after the 3 days, we take the money for the subscription that is on the website. And after that, whenever somebody purchases a product from your store, the platform is automatically going to charge you for the product amount. So for example, if the product costs like, let's say 4 euros, the platform automatically is going to charge you the 4 euros plus the shipping plus the fulfillment center fees immediately when the order is clicked fulfilled. You're going to see later in the video what this means. Just keep this in mind right now. And then you click start trial and then you're good to go. For example, right now this card is declined, but when you click start trial, it's going to be okay from then on. And then you're going to be a full user and you can start selling from now on.